April marked several significant milestones in key projects across the globe, from the assembly of our tunnel boring machines in Canada to a new hospital renovation in Spain. Here's everything that happened at Ferrovial in April in 1 minute. In Canada, a major milestone has been reached on the Ontario Line Metro with the official start of tunneling in Toronto. 2 tunnel boring machines have been assembled and will soon excavate twin tunnels from Exhibition Station through downtown, advancing one of the largest public transit expansions in North America. Once completed and connected with the northern section of the Ontario Line, the new 9.6-mile line will connect 15 stations, improve mobility across the Greater Toronto Area, cut travel times, and bring modern rapid transit within walking distance for nearly 230,000 people. Last month, we held our shareholders meeting, a key moment to reflect on 2025, a year of strong operational performance that culminated with our inclusion in the Nasdaq 100 index. We also shared our strategic vision for 2026, highlighting our focus on driving growth in U.S. infrastructure. In Spain, we're driving key healthcare projects across the country. In León, we're making improvements to the local hospital's recovery in ICU units that will increase critical care capacity by more than 50%. Meanwhile, in Madrid, we are leading the renovation of the former Chamberí Military Hospital. This facility will be transformed into a modern healthcare center featuring over 24,000 square meters of renovated space, new facilities, and an underground parking garage. And that's all for now. See you next month.